Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you what we received in the January Premium Sophie and Toffee Elves box, as well as showing you how to make this cute pastel plushie claw machine. So in this box we received a toy capsule clear mold, a small plushie clear mold, black, blue and green UV resin, Sweets polymer clay cane slices, vending machine stickers, a Gachapon machine clear mold, a vending machine mold, a food and drinks mold, cute animal stickers, Sophie and Toffee epoxy resin, violet and rose pigment dyes, colourful beads, metal embellishments, and some transparent shaker film. So to begin, I took the epoxy resin, which was a 1:1 ratio, and I think I ended up measuring about 26 grams of each part. I mixed these together in a container until the liquid turned clear, and then I also waited a little while for the bubbles to rise to the top and also disappear. I poured about half of the mixture into a different cup so then I could mix two different colours, and then I collected a bunch of different glitter and liquid pigment dyes to mix in. So starting off with the pink, I used the rose opaque dye included in the January box, and I also mixed in some pink glitter and iridescent glitter. Then just to make it a little bit paler and more opaque, I mixed in some plain white pigment dye as well. For the white mixture, I ended up mixing in white and pearl pigment dyes as well as some different sizes of glitter. I then took the Gachapon silicone mold and I poured in each of the colours until the mold was full, and then I let it sit and cure overnight before I demolded it out carefully. So once it was hard, I took one of the plushie stickers and I stuck it to the top of the machine. Next, to make the claw, I took some different gold findings, so I used some jump rings, wire and also some gold chain. I cut some small pieces of wire and then I very carefully curved them using my pair of pliers. I was going to do 4 pieces, but I ended up only doing 3 in the end. I placed one of the jump rings on a piece of baking paper so that I can work on it with the resin and it wouldn't stick to my work surface. So here I'm using the UV resin as a glue to carefully attach each of the pieces of curved wire. And then this is what it looks like when you remove it from the baking paper. I then attached the chain to the top part using UV resin, which was very hard to show on camera, so I'm sorry you don't see it curing. But once that had hardened, I also added it to the machine. Again, sorry for not showing this part because it was very difficult to film and hold everything at the same time. To make the little plushies, take the clear plushie silicone mold and pour in some different colours of resin and make sure you cure them with a UV light. Now it's time to add everything into the machine. So I took some of these pink beads, which you can also use the colourful ones included in the box, but I wanted to stick with my pastel theme, so I used these, and I also placed in the little resin plushies that I just made. Then to seal everything in, I poured some UV resin around the outside and then cut a small rectangle of the transparent shaker film, which I placed on and secured into place. Next, I pretty much just added a whole bunch of different decorations. So I added some pink rhinestones around the edge of the shaker film part, and then I also used some of the metal embellishments to help me decorate the machine. For all of this part, I'm using again my UV resin as a glue and curing each part as I go. And there you have it. This is what my finished plushie claw machine ended up looking like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.